In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted paragraphs and line breaks in Microsoft Word so your document looks clean, professional, and easy to read. Extra spaces and random breaks usually happen when text is copied from websites, emails, or PDFs, and fixing them only takes a few simple tools that are already built into Word. Once you understand where those hidden marks come from, cleaning them becomes quick and simple. Start by opening your document and turning on the formatting marks so you can clearly see what is causing the issue. Go to the Home tab and click the Show or Hide button, which looks like a paragraph symbol. After you click it, you will see paragraph marks, line breaks, and extra spaces. These symbols do not print, but they help you identify exactly where the extra spacing is coming from. If you only have a few unwanted breaks, place your cursor right before the extra paragraph mark and press backspace, or place it after the mark and press delete. This will join the lines together. For line breaks created using Shift and Enter, remove the small arrow symbol in the same way. Always double-check your sentences after joining lines so the spacing still looks natural. When your document has many extra spaces, use the Find and Replace tool to save time. Press Ctrl and H on your keyboard to open the dialog box. In the Find field, click More, then Special, then select the paragraph marks. Click it 2 times, then select one paragraph mark in the Replace field and click Replace All. This removes double spacing between paragraphs. If the text has manual line breaks, for Find What, click More, then select Special, then in the drop-down menu select Manual Line Breaks and replace it with a space to fix broken lines. After cleaning the text, adjust your paragraph spacing properly. Select your text, go to the Home tab, and open the line and paragraph spacing menu. Choose Remove Space after paragraph if needed, or set consistent spacing so everything looks even and easy to read. Finally, review your document with formatting marks turned off to make sure everything flows smoothly. Cleaning unwanted breaks in Word helps your writing look polished, saves editing time, and makes your work easier for others to read. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.